Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to add social share button in WordPress. You will be continue this video without skip. Go to WordPress dashboard and create a post. I already create a post, so open this post. I'm gonna add this social share button in this section. Now go back to our WordPress dashboard and click plugin, then add new. I'm gonna search for a plugin called Sassy Social Share. This is our plugin. Now time to install and active. After finishing this process, now go to Sassy Social Share to change some basic setting and implement social share favicon icon. Click Standard Interface. Then select Social Icon. After finishing selection, then scroll down and click Save Changes. Now time to check our post and see how it's look like. Our plugin is working, but unfortunately floating share button appear on this page. Disable this feature, just go to dashboard and go to Sassy Social Share. Then go to floating interface and unmark this floating option and save changes. In portion of this video are changes icon shape. Again go back Sassy Social Share, then click theme selection. I'm gonna change shape round to a square. Now reload our page and see our icon are changed. Guys, see here, social share button are visible our so. Remove this interface, just go to our plugin and select Standard Interface. Now unmark pages and click Save Changes. In this part, change icon title. Again go back plugin, then choose Standard Interface tab. Now change this title. I'm gonna write share. Then save changes. Now check that. Alright, now final part of this tutorial. You can add social share button in WooCommerce website. Let's show you how WooCommerce product page looks like. Go to product. Then click view this post. Guys, see here, social share button are not appear on this product page. So go to Sassy Social Share. Then select a Standard Interface, scrolling down and mark WooCommerce product page and save changes. So, hope you are enjoying this video, and obviously don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any query in this tutorial, please comment below. I'll check every individual comment, so suggest me what type of this video series you like that. Thank you.